Cooking can be a joy, and it can be a chore. Depending on what you're making, you may very well have an even bigger mess to clean up when you're all done. Thankfully, we can help you keep things neat and tidy during your culinary escapades. Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro, and this is our replacement glass top for our 3-burner cooktop, RP-CT-173B-GLSS. The overall dimensions for the replacement glass top are 18 and 7/8 inch in height by 18 and 7/8 inch width. This is a direct replacement glass top for our RecPro 3-burner cooktop, which the code for that is RP-CT-173B. It is made with scratch and heat resistant glass, which is pretty useful to have on a cooktop where you're going to have pots and pans and a lot of heat. It's also very easy to clean and protects your cooktop and the wall behind it from messes when you stand it up. When you lay it down, it can also act as a little bit of extra counter space, provided you let it cool down. It is also very easy to install too. Really all you need to do is lift up your old glass top, and in these two locations will be screws, and you take a little screwdriver, take out the screw and the small washer, set to the side. Same for the other side. Take that off, set to the side, and then you can just sort of lift and slide it out like so. The hinges are a little angled, so you have to kind of come forward a little bit as you pull it out, sort of in that motion. And then you can take your old crappy one and throw it to the side, 3 points. Then you take your new one, we'll fold this back so it's a little easier to handle. We'll slip the hinges right in there, just like that. You want to make sure the springs stay above and don't fall in. And to make things a little easier, you can just lean it back. From there, take a screw, and with one hand, you push the hinge up to the screw hole. Put your screw in, get started. And before we tighten it down, we'll do the same for the other side. Push the hinge up. And now, as we tighten down the screws, it'll pull the hinge nice and tight against the rest of the stove top. Same thing on the other side. And now, anytime you install something, you should always check for function. It is new, so it's going to be a little creaky, but that will fade with time. And yeah, works as it should. That's all there is to it. If you like what you see and you want to know more, click the link in the description below. If you want to see more of what RecPro has to offer in the future, like this video and slap that subscribe button. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.